Welcome to uSkinned. In this video, learn how to edit your design with the uSkinned Visual Designer. There are two ways to work with your theme designs. One is in the back office. The other is in preview mode with the Visual Designer. Today we'll focus on the latter. A new page was created in our previous video. Let's find it. In the bottom right corner, click Save and Preview. A new tab will open up. Here, you'll see a preview of your current page. On the right side of the page, there are some additional icons. Click on the paint bucket icon. Here we can control the overall look and feel of our chosen theme design. On the Layout tab, if we open Site Header, we can make instant changes to the header. On the Colours tab, let's adjust the colours of the header. Try adding a gradient background. You can now try making changes to some additional content colours. With the Spacing tab, you can control heights, widths, margins, paddings and more. From the Buttons section, add a border radius to enable rounded corners. Then increase the horizontal padding. Looks pretty good. And in the Fonts tab, choose from System, Google, Adobe and Custom Fonts. More than 25,000 fonts are available out of the box. For now, let's stick with Google Fonts. Once you're happy with your font choices, you can apply each font to the selectors found in your design. Change the letter spacing, font size and more. Before we finish, make sure everything looks great on each device. Once you're happy, click Save and Publish. And that's it. You've updated your theme design with the Visual Designer. But remember, don't stop there. This is just the start of your journey. Check out the next video to learn more about uSkinned.